and also the share screen. So let's import the libraries. Yeah. Your place seems to be very peaceful. I can hear the bird chirping.
Yes, a little bit. It is my school.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so we plot this and let me see the. Okay, so write the code to get an average in the cell below. So, oh, okay, I think I can input the SW data set. What is
Yeah,
that?
these from this plot, which comment can you give? The plot above.
Can you repeat it again, please?
From the plot you just did above, this cloud.
Oh, so they want me to get an average of the plot. Is here.
Yes. Which comment can you give of this plot? About
It's a linear regression problem because there's a straight line. So
no, there are no straight lines.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, so the formula would be mx plus b. There's about the variance. There's a lot of variance. Let me see what else I can say about it. We don't know yet the normal distribution. So
The correlation between the two variables, how are they?
Pardon?
The correlation between the two features, the two variables.
Correlations. That's good. Let me just quickly revise on what is correlation. That's a good question. Let's see what is correlation. So if I want to display correlation between two continuous variable, then I use scalar plot, but then what is the
You see, you make this plot to see if there is any relationship between the two variables. If there aren't any relationship, it is not necessary to make a recursion. But if you see there is a relationship. I want to see the code which generates the graph.
Okay.
Yes, you see the code. In axis, it is the study hours. And in the y-axis, it is the grade.
Oh, I see. So sorry. So, oh, I see what you meant now. So there's a correlation. So the more hours they study, the better their grade is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. I remember.
It's a positive correlation.
So
when you make your regression, okay.
Yes. So sorry, just to revise. Regression is what is the difference between correlation and regression?
Okay, correlation, it is simply a coefficient. It is a coefficient which range from 0 to 1. And it explains the strength of the relationship between two variables. If the value is near of 0, there is no correlation. If it is near 1, there is a strong correlation. This is an absolute value. It could go near -1. It is near -1, there is a negative correlation between the two variables.
Okay. So
when you see this cloud of point, it is the direction of the cloud of point. It is from the left side, bottom side to the right top side. It is a positive correlation. If it was from the top left side to the bottom right side, it will be a negative correlation.
Oh, negative correlation. So basically, let me try to repeat what you say to make sure I understand. So if the line go like this, then it's in negative correlation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, negative correlation. So, okay, I see what you meant. So, what would we call a regression then?
Yeah, now a regression, it is a line. You have to try to, not necessarily a line, it is an equation, yeah, an equation which establishes a relationship between one variable called the explanatory variable and a dependent variable.
Okay, so, okay, I'm not sure I get it. Let me see if I can get the picture on my regression.
Okay.
Okay, so, oh, it looks the same. Oh, regression is the line.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and correlation is just the dot.
Just the data, yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. So basically, this the line here, like the line from here to here, or the line from here.
You know, the regression is not necessarily a line. It could be a curve.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's not necessary to be a line.
No, you just want a curve which approximates the relationship between the two features.
Oh, okay. So basically, regression it just display the relationship between two features.
Between one feature and a dependent variable, in you to predict the dependent variable.
Oh, okay. Oh,
For
just
example, if
someone,
get the
someone call me.
relationship.
Sorry, sorry, so sorry. Someone deliver my stuff. Just give.
Okay.
Alo. Chị ơi, chị tới rồi đúng không ạ? Alo, alo, alo chị ơi, chị ở đâu vậy ạ? Alo. Sorry, just a moment. Let me for the delivery.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm back.
Okay.
People always call me when I have session.
That's not.
Yeah, when I don't have session, no one call me, and when I have session, then everyone call. Okay, so basically, okay, so regression. Okay, I see now. Okay, I see. So it's not necessarily a line; it's just the relationship between the two variables. So correlation, does it necessary to be a dot?
Correlation?
Yes.
You say?
Yes. So correlation, does it necessary to be a scalar dot like that?
Scalar dot, not necessary. It could be a coefficient. You could compute the coefficient.
Oh, okay.
With the correlation.
Oh, okay. So basically, correlation and regression is just a concept, right? You don't necessarily to have to be some type of form, right?
Yes, they are just concepts. Yes.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
have to have a form.
Okay. I see. Okay, I got you. So okay, so we can see that this is the regression. regression relationship because there's a link between two values, right?
There is no curve there, so you can't talk about regression. You just can talk about the relationship between them, the correlation.
Oh, but then there's a straight line up, so isn't, I mean, like there's a relationship between the study more hour and grades. Shouldn't it be regression?
Yeah, there is a relationship, and you could fit a regression curve. It could be a line or another curve.
Mm.
The goal of the regression is to try to predict the dependent variable, the variable in the y-axis, based on the values of the variable in the x-axis.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay, I see. I understand now.
Yeah, you could use a line which will have some biases, or you could use a curve and which will have less biases. So why it's not necessarily a linear curve.
Sorry, I just want to double check. So in here, we can only say that is a correlation because we can only see the study hour and the grade, but then we cannot yet predict the value. So that's why we cannot say there's a regression, right?
Yes, you could make a regression to make the prediction next, but there is just correlation. There isn't yet the regression line. No.
Okay, I see. Okay, I got it. Thank you. So, how do I do this? Oh, it's not gonna turn up. Okay. So, so we have the correlation, and let's see. Write a code to get an average in the cell below. So let me see. Is the data set, okay, output is kind of frame you mean grade for each round. For, what does it mean for each round number of the study hour?
Yes, they ask you to round the number of study hours. You round it to integer values, I think. Go up. You didn't solve the first problem.
Oh, there's a first problem?
The first question, I don't know. No, go below. Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, okay, I missed this.
For all data points, round the student study hours to the nearest whole number. So you should remove the decimal values in the.
I see. Let me read this then. So for all data point round, for the student study hour to the nearest whole number, compute the mean grade for each round of the whole number of study hour. Okay. Okay, I see. Oh, okay. So for all data point round student. Okay. So I need first to route the data. So I need to, after that, I need to compute the mean grade for each round. I don't understand this second question, this second line. What does it mean by compute the mean grade to each round whole number of the study hours?
Compute the mean grade for each round in whole number of study hours. Okay. The mean grade for each round. Yeah, you group by study hours and you get the mean of the grade variable. Firstly, you should turn the study hours in integer values. It will be a series of discrete values. For example, 1 hour, 2 hours of study time, 3 hours of study times. As it is discrete, you can
okay. So basically, if I have 3 hours of study time, what is the minimum? What is the average grade I will have, right?
For example, you take 2 hours here. I don't know. Why your mouse? Maybe 3 hours of study times.
Here.
And all the values there at 3 hours of study time, you make the mean of these values. So what they ask you.
Okay, so for example, if
the
I
mean of these values.
hours, I need to group like this grade to be like average, so I can find uh, the average grade that I would get if I study 20 hours, right?
You get the average of these values, you get the average of this one, average of this one, and so on. Each values should be integer.
Sorry, someone call me again.
Okay.
Alo? Dạ xuống rồi chị, đợi nãy giờ ở tòa 3 đó chị. Chị có thấy cái cô nào mà mặc váy không chị? Vậy là chị sai tòa rồi chị ơi. Sorry, just a moment. I'm calling people this genius.
Okay.
It's crazy. I ordered some delivering and then.
Okay, I see. I'll be waiting.
Alo? Dạ chị ơi, không phải cái lối đó chị ơi, tòa B1 đó chị. I need to go to get I need to go downstairs because yeah, the
Okay.
deliver service cannot find a way. So can you wait for like 5 minutes? I'll come up again.
I'll be waiting. Just go.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no. C'est grave, c'est grave. Toute la journée, c'est des théories. Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Hello, I'm back. I'm back.
Okay, great. Hello.
Yes, I'm back. I'm done now with the delivery. So let's back to our session. Sorry for the delay. So let's see. So basically, I need to group because, so for example, for the 20 study, there's many data points. So number one is I need to group the data, and number two, I need to calculate the average of those data group. Okay, I got it. So let me try that.
Okay.
I got it. Okay, so basically I need to write a function that be able to do two of those things. Give me a minute. Let me,
Okay.
Okay, what more data point route student hours to the nearest whole number. So I need to route all of number of the study hours first. Okay.
Yes.
So so these all are gonna. Oh, okay. So oh, okay. So how come I cannot? Oh, this is the text block. Okay, I see. So first, let me explore the data to see what I am having with. So let's see the data. So grade mean you go. Oh no, wait, it's okay. I see. This is the example code. Okay, so this is what they return. So first, I need to know. I need to see my data. So data. Okay. So data. So to see the column of the file. So study hours and grade. Okay, so I need to route the study hour to the nearest number. So let's see what is the routing function is. So well, you can route with Panda too, I think. So let's see. Panda route. Okay, this. It's crazy. Give me a minute. I know that there's a function. So data frame dot route. Okay. So okay. So then there's a function that I can pick the ground up also. So if let's random pi. Yes. Oh, okay. So it's a number one then. Okay, awesome. So this is numpy one. Why this? Because I remember there's a function. I input the one numpy around. So numpy. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. So it's the range one. Okay. Awesome. So first we need to access data. So let's see.
You should put iloc.iloc.
Pardon?
You should put before the square bracket, the first square bracket, .iloc.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. So the location of the. So because I want to try to access the first column. So let me see.
Now, this is there you are accessing the rows. If you want to access the first column of the data frame,
Yes.
you should put data, square bracket, double quote.
Yeah, that
Double
I
quote.
was doing.
You should put the name of the column you want to access.
there's a way to access it by just the number though.
A number order, yes, it's possible.
Yeah, like
Data point log double. Let me send you a chat.
Yeah,
Data dot log.
No, the iLog is oh, okay, I see. Yes. Okay, should work.
What are you doing?
Because so instead of the data frame, right? I need to get the first column. So I already define my data as
You want to get the first column. In Python, the first column is numbered 0. So you make data dot log square bracket. Remove the PD. Yes. Square bracket. No, first you should put double. I sent you a syntax in the chat.
okay, sure. That could be easier. Oh, that's right. Oh, yes. I see what my issue is. Oh, that's so silly. So the first one is the row.
Yes, all the rows, and
yes.
Then the first column only.
Oh God, what not into so what? Can I later open link?
Put ilog. Try to put ilog instead of log.
Oh, okay. So this is our number. So we use numpy dot print. Let's see. Can we do this? We can do another messy way. Is
do you know why you get this error?
Because
okay.
Awesome.
Okay.
Which is terrible way of coding, but let's just finish this assignment. Grow up. Terrible. Terrible. But that's all right.
Reach the end.
Yeah, just reach the end is my goal. I'm ashamed of myself to try like this, but that's all right. I'll have more practice when I get there. Okay, so that work.
Yes.
Yay, we got the first one. Oops, what did I do? So we got the first one, and the second one is let's see what else. Compute the mean grade for each.
There what you did. Try to explain what you wrote there.
Oh, which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, basically, I just round up to the nearest integer.
Yes, you did it and you save it in another variable, but it's not saved in the data frame. It will be more interesting to save it in the data frame.
That's true.
The column in the data frame, or to create another one. The best practice is to create another one.
Yes. So let's create another one. Data frame one is.
No. The data frame stay the same, but it's the name in of the new column that you should provide. So you can provide data, square bracket, double quote, count that's 30 hours, and you send this vector.
So I should append this new data into my into column, into my origin, into my data set. So
yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's append this. Oh, let's see. Oh, I have the example that I did a while ago. Yeah, I have something like that. Let's see. Yeah, it's been a while, so. Okay. See, see in here, like I don't know, like why I can. I think it's a panda maybe that I can just write 0 like this. So oh, I didn't use the append. I just plus data frame together. Okay.
The other one is not a data frame.
No, this is a data frame. So basically, I have different data frame, and I just plus them together to create a new data frame. Oh no. Yeah, you're right. That's right. You're right. It's not. So what did I do to append them together?
Now you are meeting the additional vectors and just concatenating the strings in these vectors. What you should do is just go, I will give you what you should do.
Oh no, let me try. This is a very basic question.
Okay.
Yeah, this is if I don't get this, then I'm really screwed. Yeah,
Okay.
this is like data analyst level of coding. I need to be able to do this.
Okay.
So basically, this is a new data frame. It's 30 hours, and I need to append this.
So not a data frame. It is a NumPy array.
Yes. This is an array.
Yes, an array.
Then I need to convert it to data frame. Then I append it to the other one.
It's an option, yeah.
Yeah. So data frame 1 is equal pan. Oh, I didn't import panda. Okay, I have panda already. So pd to data frame. Is it to data frame? The data frame, I think, is a syntax. No. Okay, to data frame. To data frame, yes. Yes. So this is the way to put it to data frame. So, let's see this book. And there's no what? So
when you use PD data frame, you should put the data between, you should send a dictionary. You should send a dictionary containing the key is the name of the vector and the value is the list of the array of values.
oh, maybe I need to add the index, right?
Yes, you could add the index, no, the columns.
Oh, okay. Let me see. That's right. I need to check the syntax. This would be easier. Okay. Data frame. Oh, column. Okay. Oh, so okay, I see. I see what you mean. So let me print this one first to see. Okay, so there's no header for this. Oh, I'm missing a header. Oh, that's all right. Um, okay, data equal round up study hours. Index.
You can provide the index. The index is already there.
Oh,
0,
okay,
1,
then.
2, 3, still 999. What you should provide is the columns.
Columns. I'm not sure what is equal to study hours.
No, it is the rounding study hours. And should be between double quotes.
Oh, okay.
Underscore rounding, underscore rounding.
Oh no, I think I still keep the original name.
If you keep the original name, I think it could overwrite the existing variable.
That's true. That's true. Yes, that's a good idea. Yes.
Okay.
So
Now you should make a concatenation of this one
with
the other one.
Yes. So let me concat it.
No, it should be between square brackets. No, the same, only one square bracket. This is a list of the data frame you should provide. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, sure. So it's NAM.
You should give the axis. By default, it is axis 0.
Yes. So
You say axis 1 in the concatenation. Add the axis equals 1. And don't make a print. Try to look at the head. Round up the head. Okay.
So I'm not understand what the axis here meant.
It will make the concatenations of the columns.
Let me see. Oh, we need to have like a key for it to be able to join it into. So so we need something to for it to join with. So let's see. We just do union. We just should use union. Oh, I know what I should do. So basically, I should um, hang on, let me see.
Normally, you should do it only in one line of code. This round up.
That's right. That's a good idea. Yes, that's a very good.
One line is sufficient.
Yes, I don't know why. So so I could just yes, that's true. I should just use the original data frame. So hang on, let me think. So yes, so okay, we could do this. See.
Also, the assignment in the original data frame, you could do it on the same line.
This could create a new data frame.
No, in the same data frame. It's not necessary to create another data frame.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah, it is right. Now try to assign it in a new variable in the original data frame.
You mean like if I do this way, it will create a new data frame?
No, what you are doing there, it is to round up the study hours. Instead of assign it in a variable, assign it in a data frame, a variable in the data frame. No, bring it back, please.
Oh, so I should like append something, right?
No, you want to work. It's not a list. You round up study hours there.
Let me see what is the result of this. So it's basically the same. So oh. So how do I get this? Let's see. Okay, so we got this. Let's see. Okay, so okay. Oh, I know. Ah, so, yes, I know already. So I think this way will work. Right. Yeah.
No.
Why this is wrong? Why is it wrong?
No. He took the second value as the index. It's not right.
Oh, so I need to index. Okay. Oh, hello there. I see you now.
You see the screen?
The whiteboard. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. Yes.
Yeah.
Expect.
So data, we make this variable in
Oh,
the data
wait.
frame.
Sorry, wait for me a little bit. I need to expand the screen up. I cannot see it. It's too small.
Okay.
How do I do that? Oh, it's the max I can see. Yeah, there's no expanded for it. Would it be possible if you can write it on the
sheet of paper?
Oh, maybe I can share screen and then you can write it on your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a better idea. So let me stop sharing screen now. Yes, please help me share it. Oh, you already sent me the answer.
Yeah, I sent you it.
Oh, I didn't see that. So I was like, oh, okay, let me analyze your answer to see.
Okay.
Table number by green data around study hours. So this one will get me the
It will add another column in your original data frame containing the values of the study hours rounded up to integer values.
oh okay. But then there's just one column though.
Yes, what you want to add another column containing the integer values.
So here I'll follow yours screen sharing. I'm still a little bit confused of this.
Screen sharing. No, I'm not sharing screen.
Yes. Because you were about to show me something on the board, right? But then the board is too small, so I cannot see anything.
But it's almost what I sent you in the chat. Can you see now the board?
Yes. Yes. Very small. Let me expand it up. Yeah.
Our data, our study hours. So you add another this column in your original data frame. And this column, it is a vector, and it assigns it the values of the study hours round up. Instead of assigning to another variable as you were doing, we're assigning in a column in the data frame, a new column.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
In one line.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
That's true. Okay, let me try that. Let me try that again.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's really cool. Let me try.
Yes, when you do it, no, Lex is good. At the second line,
It is?
yes, do it in another cell, in different
Oh,
cell.
okay. So hang on. Data frame study hours. I forgot what is it called. So, but then I don't need to get like index, right?
What are you doing?
Oh, wait, so this one line solve everything?
Now try to see data point head. Execute data point head. Data dot head, yeah.
Oh,
yeah. There is the study hours, the grade, and the study hours.
Yes. So basically, okay. Okay, I see now. I see.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. It's not work, it will stay. So basically you assign the value, okay. So basically you got the route of hours.
Yeah.
So the next step is that you get the mean of the value. So the mean is this.
Yes.
First, you need to do the group by. To group
yes, by. A group by.
The route first. So let me see how you group by here. Yeah.
You could do it in different cell. Okay.
Yes. So pandas group by. See. Okay. Okay. This like the whole thing. I basically just use it. So data.
Do it a different cell, a cell below this one.
Oh yes, that's a good idea. Okay. Group by row.
Before, okay. Yeah, he won't do anything. You should add a column. Which column you want to do the mean? No. Go back on the same line. All on the same line.
Oh.
Yes. You want the mean of which column? No. You have to provide first. No, not like this. Before to add the method mean, before the dot mean, add the column you want to have to get the mean of.
Oh, I see.
No.
Ready?
To provide yes between bracket, but without the dot.
Oh,
Don't put
I
dot.
see.
Yes.
I see. So we get the values.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome. Okay, so we got a mean. So
Yeah.
so we get the data. The data frame yield the mean grade for each round number of study hours. So basically, we just copy these two lines down, right?
You see?
Yeah. So we just copy it and put it in here, right?
Yes.
Oh.
Wait. Can you try to see, can you go up? I want to see why the function should return.
Oh yes, that's right. I always forget this. Returned. Okay. Let's see. We have to name this. So mean grade.
Yes, go up to see if it's the right in the right format.
Yes. So let's check this. So
No, go to see the instruction to see how it should return the result. Instructions. Yeah, there, just there. Print,
oh, for each round whole number. Oh no, we got it. Oh, okay. So I think we are all right, right?
see the output. Try to execute. No.
I think we can execute here. So.
I will see. But you get the result, but it's not as a data frame. You should put the result as a data frame. Your group by in the cell before this one. Try to turn your group, your aggregation in a data frame. And
I'm not really sure.
this result, you see my mouse?
No.
Okay, where you are, the cell,
Here.
no, up.
Up.
Up at the top of this one. Yes, there, yeah. Data.group by. You see the result is sent. It's not a data frame. It is a series, I think, Panda series. You should turn this
Oh, that's
data
right.
frame.
Yes. So so basically, I need to put it in a data frame.
Yeah, and it is the data frame you should return.
Yes. Well, you are really good at this. Data. Yeah. How do you know? You're really fast with detecting this stuff. Hang on. And so average grade. this doesn't work. Let me see. Oh, shoes. Oops. What did I do? Column. Yes. Column. That is supposed to be right. Oh, because I have two columns. So, right. So let me see.
Go in the here, add dot reset index in this cell 37. Dot reset index. No, reset underscore index. Index. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, so basically I have to put the index on it.
Yes. Try to scroll up to see if you get the name of columns.
Yes.
Yeah, you see? Here you got the data frame. You just have to add this method and return the data.
Oh, that's easy to get the data frame?
Yeah, this is a data frame. You see the formatting, the style.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see now. So if it doesn't have like this table format, then it's not a data frame.
Yeah, you see, wait, go back. You have two options. Either you have to reset index at the end, or you don't add reset index, but while you are making your aggregation, your group by rounding standard errors, you add an option as index false, and you will get the same result.
I'm not quite get it. Can you chat it to me so I can see?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Let me get. Oh, okay. Just now I know about that. Nice.
I've sent it to you.
Yes. Okay. S index. Okay. I see. I'll click here. That's very useful lesson. I just learned about this today. Thank you.
Okay.
It's really helpful. Okay. So let's check. Yeah, okay, let's forget it. This checking function EBS, I'll have to deal with it. Get the result first.
Can I have a look at the original notebook?
Yeah, sure. Let me do that. Okay, let me go back here. So
problem 3, get averages. Try to show the cells. To display the cell. The first cells hidden. Try to display them.
Oh, okay.
Okay. See this picture. You can't see it. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah. It's hidden for me too. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But then
with the data folder that you have extracted, try to go in this data folder in your drive yesterday. The picture is there.
Oh, that's good idea. Let me go in there. So
The first one, I think, or the second one. No, the second one. Okay. Okay, it should stay as index. This is the first one. Regex tab. It should stay as index.
station.
Yes. You don't have to reset the index. Let's go back and remove your reset index and you continue.
Okay. So you can just
comment it. Yeah, okay. Continue.
Okay, I really like this though, so I'll keep the code, so just in case.
You could just add hashtag in front of dot reset index.
Oh, yes. Let me just say, yes. Like just here, right?
Yeah, try your assertion.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's
try to get the shape of this one above. Not there, above. Just above. 47 one. Try to get the shape.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
The first line. Try to get the shape of on the first line.
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay. A dot shape.
Yes. 38.
So now comment the reset index, dot reset index. Add hashtag in front of. No, just add the symbol hashtag in front of dot.
Mm-hmm.
Dot reset index, hashtag. Yes. Execute. 38. Yes, it should be equals. Go below. Try to scroll down in the assertion set. It should work.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll leave it for the. I'll ask the class assistant to see why, because we got the correct answer.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it must be the BS. This class, I mean, so it's so bad.
Okay.
It's like the material from other platforms, so a lot of things is really messed up. So
Okay.
they didn't write the material themselves, so that's why.
Is this problem over?
Pardon?
Is this problem over?
Program. Sorry, what did you say?
This problem, is it the end of this problem or does this remain?
No, there's more. So reset index. Okay, whatever. So we have another one. Write a function to.
Okay, go up. Yeah, just yeah. Up screen means okay. Go up again. Wait. Could I have the remote control?
Yes, totally. Oh, actually, I can share this notebook with you, so you can look at it in your. How do I share this? Okay. Oh, maybe I should just write here. How do I chat? Okay, I just send you the link.
Okay. Haven't actually saved it yet.
Oh, it's on the Zoom group chat.
Okay. Okay, I get it.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. Okay. For the exercise of the second problem of yesterday, I found the solution.
Oh,
I haven't well understood the instruction.
oh,
The
okay.
formula for the indicator, it was not the sum of mean and max divided by the mean. No, it was the mean of the sum of the mean of max. So when you take mean plus max, it is two values. You should divide it by 2 and not by the mean of the sample of the population.
Oh, okay. So
If you change population mean, sample mean by 2, you will get the right result. You should get the right result.
okay, so what do I do in here?
I can share my screen with you.
Okay, sure. Sure, please share your screen with me.
Okay. Here is my screen. You should stop your sharing screen first. Wait a minute. I have to go to see someone.
Okay, sure.
Binta? Ah, I'm back.
Oh, okay.
Hmm? Oh. Okay. How is the function?
Yes. Please help me share your screen.
You see my screen?
No, not yet.
Okay. Stop. You should stop yours first. Okay.
Yes. Sorry.
Okay. Here you see? Okay. This is the function. I remove this line, I comment it, this one too, not necessary. I take the mean and the max, divide by 2. The same thing here. Then yesterday I told you that you just have to take the value, the indicator value of the simple minus the true value, take it power 2, and you take the mean. If you reduce this formula, it is a kind of variance of errors. If you reduce it, it comes back to the variance of the sample indicator plus the bias of the sample indicator. The variance, it is the sample indicator minus the real value power 2, the sum divided by the number of values. And the bias, it is simply the mean of these indicators minus the original value power 2. This one should be equal 0. It's why, if it is an ambient estimator, it is equal 0. It's why yesterday, while we were just taking the variance, it worked. So when you try it and you execute it, it will work. Sample average is not defined. Where did I use sample average? You have the same code than me.
Yeah, it still give the error, right?
Yeah. Okay, it worked.
Oh, okay. Could you help me send me the code, because I'm still not totally get it. Okay. Give me a moment so that I can read it.
Okay.
Oh, actually, after the class, could you just export it into a file? Then I think it would be easier.
Okay, PDF file or the notebook?
Yes. Yeah, in the notebook, please.
In the notebook, okay. At the end, not now.
Yeah, not now, but at the end. So let me have a moment to read this. So sample mean, sample max. Okay, mean max, mean population is popular mean. And okay. Sample mean, sample max, okay. So I got this value mean max. Okay. What is bias mean, bias max? I don't understand this one.
By what?
I don't understand the bias.
The bias.
Yes.
Okay. Here is the mean squared error. It is you take for each sample, you take the indicator for the sample minus the indicator of the population. The error for each sample. Put it at power 2, and then you make the sum for all the samples, and you divide it by the number of samples. This is what means the expectation. Okay. When they make the development, it comes back to this one after simplification. It comes back to the variance plus the bias, the variance of the sample of estimator. So if you can come here, in statistics, the mean squared error or mean squared deviation of an estimator of a procedure for estimating from self-quantity uses the average of squares of the errors. That is the average square difference between the estimated values and the actual values. There was something I was wanting to show you. Yeah. Okay, it comes back to the sum of the variance and the bias. The variance is how the values are different within the sample, and the bias is how far the indicator is different from the original one. So when I apply this formula, first I should compute the variance, and then I should compute the bias. For the variance, I take the values of the sample, I subtract them to value. I take it at the power 2. If you about the formula of the variance, I make the sum and divide by the number of samples. Okay. Now for the bias, I'm taking all the values in the sample. I make the mean because they say that the expectation of a series is the sum of all the values, each value multiplied by the probability. But here it is a uniform distribution. It is independent. So each sample has a chance of 1 over 100,000. When I'm making the mean, it's as if I was summing and multiplying each of them by 1 divided by 100,000. Which is the same thing.
Okay, I understand now.
And then I subtract this one, the true value. While it is down, I take all of this at power 2. It is the bias. And I make the sum of these two values and return the result.
Yes, I see now.
But one my notebook, but it's not completely clean. I didn't solve the first problem correctly. If you want, I will send you like it. You will understand.
Oh, the first one is already finished, right?
Yes, but by my side, I haven't used the right approach. Maybe you should send me.
Sure. I'll send you the book on that. Yes. So let's continue to the last one. Is that all right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me share my screen again.
Okay.
So the last one. Right function do regression that perform linear regression and return.
Yeah. Do regression that perform linear regression to return W for the equations. Okay. Use the function lineal LSTS square. Okay. Print type to be print of check. Okay. Write your code for regression in the cell below. Okay, you should do the regression, get the coefficient, and return the result. So you have to try to fit a line to the preceding input point. You could look for the parameters that the function lineal.lstsq should take.
Right function do regression that perform linear regression for return. What is WO, W1? Grade W1 first.
What is what?
I don't understand this function.
This function.
Yes, what is WO and W1? Oh, it's the high and low point, right?
It is the.
Is it the high point? I just don't understand the question.
Okay. W, W0, W1, it is a vector. They are trying to, it is a vector of shape 2 rows, 1 column. The equation they wrote below, great. You could write it again. Let me write it and show you. Weight equals W0 plus W1 study hours. Okay. This one is shape, I think, 909. 1 column. Okay, you can write it like this, W0, W1, study hours. Rows 1 column. Okay. You see?
Oh, can you move the notebook closer, please?
Okay.
Okay, grade equals 0 plus W study hours grade bằng.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Now you can turn W0 into a vector.
It's the same with the one that I have in here, right?
See?
Yes, I see.
Okay. It is a vector. There in study hours is also a vector. It is a vector, one line and 999 columns, or if you want, one column and 999. That means that the vector of the weight W0, W1, you should turn it into a row vector for one line, two columns.
Oh, I see. Yes, I remember now. I remember this vector properties. Okay, I remember. Awesome. Yes.
Now we are asking you just to make the regression and return the vector of weight W.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. So let me try to do it. Thank you.
Great. Very good.
Let's see. Do regression data bring okay. So that perform okay. Write a code to do regression in the cell below. So it in the data and it takes 30 hours. But okay, and let me see. So basically, it's the data time the study hours, right?
This is what did you say?
I have questions. So what is the input for WO and W1? So which column do I need to get for the input of this?
No, you don't have W0 nor W1. This is what you are looking for.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I see. I understand.
We'll solve it and get the question.
Okay, so let's see. Do regression data with W1 shape. So basically, try to find the shape of W0 and W1. Input the HW data set. So this data, right?
Try to link at the doctrine of linalg least square function.
So we don't need this anymore, right? Let me see what our data is currently look like. So let's see what our data are. So this is our data. So we will use this in here. I'll put the NumPy array. Oh, so we need to calculate WO and W1. Oh, okay, from linear regression. Okay, so basically we need to find the formula for that. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. Okay. So we need to find the RSS, which is the residue something. I forgot. So oh.
Don't.
Okay. So how do we do this? So yeah, I'm lost. I'm not sure how to do this.
Okay, you see, they are asking to solve an equation. Weight equals W0 plus W1 times the study hours. You should solve the equation and find the value of W0 and W1. But happily for you, you don't have to do it with your brain. You have libraries, and they suggest you to use the library linalg.lstsq. So first, what you should do is to look at its doctrine, scipy.linalg.lsq, to see what it takes as parameters and what it returns.
Sure. Which library are you mentioning?
They said scipy.linalg.lsq.
Oh. Oh, wait, I see what you mean. So, oh, okay. So we can just write like, hang on, I have an idea. So they doesn't give you the suggestion, right? Linear.
Yes, they gave you, yes, they're just a hint. Use the function.
Oh, okay. Oh, I missed this. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see that.
No, I think that is coming from SciPy.
Oh, okay.
Based on the way they make the importations above.
Okay, it's more linear regression, linear algebra.
You are looking for the function LSTSQ. It is above LSTSQ, just there.
Okay. Okay. So so W0 and W1 is the least square. What?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. I got it. So let's check out this library. Let's check out this example. Okay, let me see first on how they often use. Oh, okay. So okay, so PLU. So if A is an array, so what is I have a question. What is the PLU like? What is PLU? Oh, they are vectors. So they are matrix. Oh, okay. So we have three values here. So they have three values here. Okay. So
linear.lu. I don't know what does this function make. Linear.lu.
Pardon?
No, I'm looking for what the function is doing.
Yeah, let's explain it further.
I don't have this method.
Let me see the raw file. let me read more on document to see this.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I think this one will be good. Use this. Okay. So oh, so this is the SVD algorithm.
Yes.
Oh no, wait, it's not because it's NumPy. So our is the scikit-learn. So I better find the scikit. Okay, let's see first what is the difference. I give up. Please give me suggestion. I don't know. I don't understand anything about this. So let me stop share. So please help me share screen and explain for me the concept.
Okay. Uh, okay. It asks you to use this library. Type like lineage LSTSQ. So it takes firstly two arrays, A and B. The first array, it says that it computes the least square solution to a equation AX equals B. So if we make the reduction, I should write grade equals W study hours. Remember this expression?
Oh, see anything?
Yeah. So from this this example, AX equals B. And our example, grade equals W times study hours. B is, what is B in our example? In our case? Or what represent the grades?
AX, you mean like AX equal B is a least square solution, least square error, right?
No, this is the equation we are trying to solve.
Oh, okay.
This library solve a question of the form AX equals B. And our equation is W times 30 hours equals grades. We are looking for the values which will be in the vector of W. So if you are making an analogy, our B here is grades, and our X vector it is the study hours. You agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. So we compute the vector x such that the two norm b is minimized. This one is the formulation of the error rate.
Hang on. So the formula for the least square error is ax equal b. So compute a vector x such that two norm is minimized. Okay. So the minimize is the value between b and ax is smallest in the absolute.
Yes.
Okay, I got it. Yes.
Okay. So we got already the value of b that we should give to the function. This is the grade. And it remains the value a we should provide. I will come to it back later. And when he makes the computation, he returns the square solution of shape b, the shape of b, the shape of the weight. Yeah, he returns 4 values: x, the residues, the rank, and s. X is the least square solution, and it is of the shape of b, the least square solution. So the shape of b, the shape of the grade, the residue, an area of trust. It is the residue, it is the errors for each observation in our data set. The rank, the effective rank of A. When we talk about rank in the case of matrix, it is the number of rows whose the values are different from 0. The S, it is the singular values of A. The singular values of A. It is the value for which when we derive A, it is equal to 0. So what we call singular values. But you know what is important for us? It is what we should give to our function to get the vector of weight to what we are looking for. You know already that the first parameter we should provide, it is the grade for B. Now it remains what we should provide for A. Let's see an example. Here they gave an example. They provide two lists of arrays, x and y, x and y, sorry. And they are trying to fit a quadratic polynomial of the form y equals a plus b times x power 2. So to do that, they generate a matrix of two vectors. One, the first column is with the value 1, the second is with the values power at the power 2. And then they apply their function. We are trying to make a recursion in the form y equals a plus b times x times x. We don't need to put it at power 2. So if we are following the same example without changing anything, we should do this. If you want this one, I will say that it is this one, it is the grade. This one is the study hours. Okay. Then we take the vector study hours, all the values, and instead of using 0, 2, we use 0, 1. It returns us a matrix of this form. The first column, it is for the constant term, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the second column, it is our study hours values, 1, 2.5, still 8.5. Then we do as stated. We want to find the least square solution to m dot p equals y, where p is a vector with length 2. Our case p, it is the vector of w. M is the one we generated there, and Y for us it is the grade. So we apply the same thing. We got the M, the Y it is the grade. Okay, he did it. Try to see what is in the P. Yeah, that are the solution. The constant term is minus 1.93 and the other one is 1.168. Yeah, if you notice, when the values of the study hours in this example increase, the value of the grade also increase. So what is the type of the correlation? The type and the sense is, there are two questions. Is there a correlation? And what is the sense of the correlation? Could you answer or?
I'm quite lost. Let me see. So we have the study hours array and we have the grade array. And then
Yeah.
M, we have the study hours data frame, right? So, so we have a study hours data frame and
no, let firstly your data set because I don't have the data. I took another example.
Oh, okay. So, okay, I see. So let me try to do the data set here. So let's do it together. Is that all right, Alec?
Okay, we can do it with your data set.
Okay, let's do it together so I can understand each step.
Okay.
Okay, so first to get the array for the study and the grade, study hours and the grade. So let's do it. Okay, so oh, we already have that, so we don't need it. So we need to create a new axis, right?
A new axis? No.
Because I saw in your code you said like new axis something.
Yes, there was something like that. But at the first time, you should get the two vectors. You have already in the data frame. Mm-hmm. What you have to do is to create a matrix of one column containing one everywhere, and the second column containing the values of the study hours.
Okay. So should I get the raw study hours or just the raw data?
You have just what?
So should I get the raw study hours or just the original one?
Yeah, just the original one, less the running study hours. For the study hours, yeah, or the grades.
So the same. Okay.
No, the first column is the first.
Oh, is that correct? Oh, that's right. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so we create a new data frame from this.
Why are you creating a data frame?
I thought like you, yeah, I'm not sure the third step that you did, which is like.
What the idea is? Okay. What the idea is to create a matrix.
Yes. Yeah, I don't quite get that one.
Okay. I have to explain it to you. Wait a minute. Okay, let me explain it to you. You see, when you make the product of matrix, we should have the left matrix, the number of columns of the left matrix should match the number of rows of the right matrix. You agree with me?
Oh, is it for, yes, I remember that one. So is it for like combine, multiply a vector or matrix, right? So those have to match, the row have to match the column of the new matrix.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I remember the property now, yes.
Okay. So it is why for the first vector is the weight. You get, if you wish, one row, two columns. So to make the product with the study hours, we should get two rows, one column. Or if you wish, if you take the weight like they gave it, it is a column vector, two rows, one column. You agree? W0, W1. You agree with me?
Sorry, can you repeat it again, please?
As they gave the vector of weight, it is two rows, one column. W0 at the first row, W1 at the second row.
So basically, let me see, let me print out the shape so that I can understand.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So I guess. So there's no property in this. Oh, okay. So each of these is the, so this one, from what I understand, hang on, let me explain to see if I understand what you meant. So this one, from what I understand, this is 1,000 row and one column. So this one is also 1,000 row and one column. Oh, so in order for these to multiply together, like in here, we need to transpose the row. We need to transpose this. Ah, okay. I get it.
Transpose what?
We need to transpose the study hour. So that like we have like one. So that it look like this, right?
No, not got it. Wait a minute, I will explain to you. Study hours.
Yeah, so it's like this. You have to like transpose it, right?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, I don't have any idea.
I'm coming.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Some water.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, I'm back. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Make a mistake.
Oh, let me stop. Yes.
Okay, you see that? You take hierarchy for the grade, and you take XT for the study hours. Beta 0 is our W0, beta 1 is our W1. So this is the list of value for the grades. This is the constant term for each student. This is the coefficient value beta 1, W1 for each one. And this is the vector of study hours. When you transform it in matrix, you got this vector of grade equal a matrix with the first column have 1, the second column have the values of the grades, you see? Time the vector of weight plus the vector of error. The errors for each one of the students is not the same for each of them.
Oh.
Now, to make the transformation back, okay, this is the y equals x times the vector of weight plus error. So what I'm doing is this: when I was using NP new axis you saw before, it was for having the matrix with the ones and the study hours here. Study hours, all the values, NP new axis.
I have a question. So the 1, 0, and 1 is the weight, right?
You see?
So the 0 and 1 is the weight, right?
The weight. No, it's not the weight. It's not the weight. It's just coefficient to have in the first column 1 and in the second column the study hours. If you take it just this, study hours.
Oh, so you just flip it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, no. So basically, hang on. Can you show me again?
Yeah.
Can you move up by one line, please? Can I see
one line?
48.
48.
Yes. So one line upper here. Let me.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. So let me analyze it a little bit. So you have the array 1, 2.5, 3.5. So okay. So numpy dot new axis is oh, so this is array. You just flip it.
Yeah, somehow.
Column.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got it. So what does the 0 and 1? Oh, 0 and 1 is just the index, right?
It is another matrix. When you make the product, you have the first column having only ones because it times it by 0. 1, 0 plus. And the second the value.
Can you print out what is the result of numpy dot new axis power 0 and 1?
It's this result. I put it in M, and here is the result.
Oh, okay.
It's equivalent to what I got here. You see 1 and the value of the study hours.
Oh, okay.
You see the idea?
They will take every they will take every element in the array of study hours and they time it with 1, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So which is the part that they time it with 0?
You say?
Oh, because there is two values 0 and 1. So which is the part that they time it with 0? So I got the part that they time it with 1, but I don't understand which is the one they time it with 0.
The first here, the study hour, I time the value of the study hours by 0. End of the new axis by 1.
Okay, so if, for example, 1 times 0, it should appear to be 0, right?
Wow. You see?
Like, you know, for example, the study hours, the first value is 1. So if 1 times 0, it should appear to be 0, right?
I don't understand what you say. I understand what they are trying to do, but it's not me who wrote this piece of code. So it is a bit hard for me to explain you.
Okay,
I
sure.
should
Let's
try
move
another
on.
approach and explain it to
Okay,
you. I
okay,
just know the idea to obtain a matrix of this kind.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, let's move on then.
Okay. I will look for how it works and I will explain you
Thank
later.
you.
Okay. So you can continue what you are doing, or you have other questions?
Oh yes, I have. I actually don't know. Like, yeah, let's continue what I was doing.
Okay. I stop sharing.
Yes. So let's see. Oh, which is the one? Okay, we got it. So yes. So now, what is our next step? Is that we time? So what is our next step? We time grades with 30 hours.
I should generate the matrix of data.
Oh, okay. So grade bằng is equal. Oh, okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. So each of these elements will times 30 hours. Oh, okay. So we will find the 0. Oh, okay. I got it now.
Okay.
So basically, we'll get a grade divide by 30 hours to get the W0 and plus W1, right?
Not exactly. It's not like this we solve them. We solve differently. We use if you want to know the theory, I can send you the document I have done already. It uses the mean of each series to solve it. If you put the mean in the equation, you will get the solution for the W01.
Can you type it in the chat, please? I'm not quite getting it.
Okay. Wait a minute. You want to understand all the theory behind, or just?
I just don't know what else. What do I need to do next?
Okay, what you need to do next is to generate the matrix M of having the first column once and in the second column the study hours of the student.
Oh, okay. So
What you have to
so I have to do is like your method that you showed me just now, right?
you can use this method and look for another one.
Can you share with me the keyword that I can understand more about this concept, because I'm quite confused. Like I don't understand like what is the one and how do I look for one?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, I understand now.
You understand?
Because it's a least square error, so you are trying to find the smallest error, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So then I need to like look at the whole array and find the smallest one.
But you have to do it manually or using any type of equation. The library will do it alone for you. All what you have to do is to provide him the vector of values he should have to learn to predict and the matrix of data. The matrix of data, it contains in the first column ones and the second column the series of value of your spectral feature. In our case, is the study hours.
Could you help me to check it down? I'm not quite sure I'm not quite sure the concept that you mentioned. I think I'm missing something.
Okay, what you have to do.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you help me type down the keywords that you just say? I don't. You can just send me by chat. I'm not quite getting the better method that you
I sent you the keyword, the syntax.
Sorry?
I sent you the syntax you should use.
Oh,
Zoom.
I don't see the thing. Oh,
Zoom.
yeah, sorry, I missed it. To provide a data to the function. Okay, provide data to the function and it will. Oh, okay, that's easy then. Okay, sure. So let's see. Oh, okay.
I've sent you a chat.
Yes. So let's see, study hours. Oh,
You should assign it. Okay.
yes.
You should assign it to a vector, a variable. The study hours is your data.
Yes, it is this one, right? This is my study hours.
No, the last line you should use is the data. Regression data.
Oh, so I should use the regression data. Okay.
No, not like this. What did you do?
Sorry, I don't really understand what. Okay, provide the data. Okay, the function take at least two parameters. The grades and the matrix contain two columns. The first column having one and the second study hours value. Okay, hang on, let me read. Take two. Okay, so the function take at least two parameters. So this function, it takes at least two parameters, right? Is it the function?
There is no function there. The function is not there. The function is the one they gave you. Lin arg, yes, this one. Lin arg,
okay.
linarg.lstxq.
Oh, okay.
This
one
that I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. So this function it take two parameter.
Yes.
Okay.
The grade.
And the matrix contain two columns. The first column having ones and the second column. Oh, okay. Okay. I understand what you meant now. Okay, I got it.
You know why the matrix have ones in the first column?
Yes, now I understand. So,
why the matrix has ones in the first column?
Oh, because the function take it.
No, because the equation, you have a constant term, W0. So as it is a constant term, you have just one everywhere.
Sorry, did you say like, the one is the constant?
One is not the constant. It's just a vector which permits to get a constant term in the equation. If you remember the equation I've shown you in the PDF file, there were ones in the first column.
I don't get it, sorry.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, please. Let me stop sharing.
Here, see?
Yes.
Yeah. You see, we are here. Y equals beta 0 plus beta 1 x plus the error epsilon. And when we turn it in the matrix form, we get always our vector of grades equals. There is in the second one the vector of data. Here is the study hours. You see the one here. It is because of this constant term.
Oh, okay.
If there were not the constant term, you wouldn't have ones.
Oh, okay. I have a question. So it's like a derivative, right?
Like what?
Derivative.
It's not derivative. It is a matrix product. If you make the product of this line, 1 times beta 0 plus.
Oh, okay, I see. Because you take the, okay, I see now. So because you take the beta 0 out, so you have to replace it with 1.
Yes, exactly. You got
it. Finally, I got it. Yes. Awesome. Okay, I understand why there's a 1 in there.
Okay. So instead of using my syntax, you could look for another method to do the same thing, to get a matrix of this form. If there were another columns, you will have add them. If it was not only study hours, you will have added them in the matrix.
So I have questions. So what is the beta 0 in in the one that we are looking for?
In our case, it is W0. If you want to interpret this term, it will be if a student doesn't study at all.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh,
at least. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I understand now.
Okay. So you could continue. Yeah. So if you see here, after generating the matrix, I use the function, I provide him the matrix and my target, which are the grades. I want to produce the grade. And the function returns 4 values. I store them in this one. The first value, it is my solution, the weight. The second value, it is the residuals. It is the error for each one of the students. The rank, the number of rows different from 0, and S, I don't remember, but you can go to look for it. But what interests us here is the weight. So your function finally do regression should return just P. I don't know if you understand.
Okay, we can just follow the formula. I have to go back and learn the linear regression formula. I think that is the key that I don't understand here.
Okay.
Yes. So okay, I see now. So I'll follow the formula in this. So let me share screen again. So let me try to reproduce the code again. Okay, so basically we have L res rank, right, equal this library.
What is L?
Oh, P is a weight.
Okay, and there is a fourth output S after the rank.
It's residue, right?
No, it is res. Put res back. Yes, after the rank, there is a fourth parameter. You should go to the documentation. You will see it returned fourth result. The fourth
Also,
one is S.
there's another parameter after this. No, I thought
Other output, yes, S after this. No, rank, comma, S.
Oh, okay. So
It is dot ls. No, it is another method. Dot ls b square lstsq. Yes.
oh, okay. So oh, okay. So it will take the A, the B, and record. Okay. So our A is 30 hour, right?
No, A, it is the matrix of 1 and 30 hours. This is what you wrote at the line before. You should store it in a variable and use it in the function.
Oh, okay. So what should I name it? New matrix?
A or new matrix or I don't know, regression data.
Okay.
You can say A. Okay.
Okay. So the B is the grace, right?
Exact.
Okay. And the record, do we need to put anything?
I don't think so. You can use it later to learn more about how it works. But I think
Okay.
it's for the optimization method.
Okay.
Size now is non-valid key. Data. You see, it's not data you should use in front at the third line. It is the study hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, try to see what are the weight in a different cell. Try to see the values of P.
Hang on. We got to change the. Okay, so should I do this record but none?
If you don't want to see the warning, yes. But
Okay. I think it's worked, so let's pass it in the function.
the function, what should the function return?
Oh, that's right. Should just return the. don't even know what is return. Raise? Sorry, I don't know what it should return.
Read the instruction.
Oh, we should return all of this.
No. Go to read your instruction.
Raise? Oh. Yeah, what should it return?
You see the shape out. So you should return the weight W.
Oh,
and the
okay.
shape W or W1.
So it should return the weight. Okay, return weight. But then where is the weight then?
No. What is the weight in your case here? How do you call the weight?
Oh, the P.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. You are awesome. Okay, I see now. Okay, so the only one that we have issue is the 2 and the 3. Can you help me look for it and see what is the issue on that?
The 2, it is good. To the 3, yes. The problem. The third
only
one.
the 3, yes.
I should have time to read the code.
Let me send to you the code. And I have questions. So about this time tomorrow, can we meet around 8?
Around 8. If you do here for me, 1 a.m. 1 a.m.
1 p.m., right?
You said 8.
No. You see here in my screen, it's right now it's 8:30. So if we meet 8, would it work for tomorrow?
Wait, 8 in Vietnamese time.
Yes.
8 in Vietnamese time. Yeah, it's possible.
Okay. Or would you want to be 1 hour earlier? So I'm free between 7 and 9 tomorrow. So what time would it be better for you?
You said 7 and 9.
Yes, from 7 to 9. So what time would it be? So can we start at 7 then?
Yes, 7. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Because I want to have more study hour with you. So I'll send you the notebook right now, and let me send the notebook right now. And can you help me send yours that have the second question correct, so I can look at it more?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay, awesome. So I'll see you tomorrow, Amek. Have a good day. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Likewise.